how to change Siri name on iPhone. For that, make sure you are up to date to the iOS 18. Make sure that you go to the general, tap on the software update and update your software to the latest version. Now, once done, tap on the settings app on your mobile device. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the accessibility section. Inside accessibility, scroll down and choose the vocal shortcuts option. Then all you have to do is tap on set up vocal shortcuts option and hit the continue button. Next, scroll down and select Siri under the system section and make sure you don't select Siri request from the top. Now you can now type in a custom phrase you wish to use to activate Siri. I am typing down Sarah. You can type down Jarvis or computer or any name according to your preferences. Now say that custom phrase 3 times to help your iPhone recognize it. Once your action is ready, hit the continue button to use it to activate Siri on the phone. Now you can simply call your Siri by the name you just entered and it will respond. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.